All right. Can I just show you? It's Kurt here, by the way, with Teach Mom How. Like and subscribe to my channel, yada, 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 the usual plug. But can I just show you one of the coolest features that I love about the new operating system on Mac OS 14 Sonoma? It's this stacks feature. I already did an extensive video about this. I'll include it in the link if you want more details. But my computer gets constantly cluttered. I cannot keep up on it. See all this stuff in the way? You'd see more if my widgets weren't in the way. It just drives me crazy. So what normally happens is this gets out of control till I can't see my desktop, and then I throw them in a folder and call it old stuff, organize, and I never end up organizing it. But this new feature, I can select everything on my desktop. Okay, click and drag, and I can put them into stacks, they're called. Click view, use stacks, and bloop, they disappear. They didn't really disappear. What they did is they put them into stacks. They're on my other screen. I have two screens, okay? But on my other screen, they're organized by types of videos, or you can organize them by the dates they were made, by types of files, sorry. They're organized by types of files by default. But look, so there's all my screenshots I've downloaded. Here's all my movies, my videos I've recorded and that were on my desktop. And then here's my other stuff. Anyways, they're on my other screen. But it just cleans it up nice and neat, and I love that feature. Good job, Mac, and hope that helps somebody out seeing this today. Have a great day.